So guys, you see, in this world that we are, guys, good name is better than riches. Trust me, guys. Nothing like good name, nothing like amazing reputation. It's very, very important, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Maria Omo Family TV. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Always love my video. Always thumbs up my video for me. Share for me. As you do so, may God in heaven bless you, guys. Okay, guys, in today's video, guys, I will be deliberating on Nigeria and Ghana issue. Yes, Ghanaians, please help us, Nigeria. Help Nigeria. Please teach us the way, because these amazing things, amazing good news that is just happening to you guys. Please, you guys should not mind our pride, eh? You guys should not look at Nigeria pride. Please, you guys should link us. You guys should tell us the method. You guys should put us through, honestly, because I don't really know what is happening in our country, Nigeria. We are just too full of ourselves. That is just the truth. Nothing but the truth, guys. Yes, the truth has to be told, guys. We just, when you see Nigerians, even me that is talking here, when you see us, that pride is in us. We don't need it anymore. It's high time we say no to it, because we don't need it anymore. It's not helping us. It's not taking us anywhere. Rather, bringing us down in anywhere we go. Imagine this time you submit your CV at a place of work. If the grace of God is not upon you, trust me, you're not going to get that job. You're not going to get it. And because that Nigeria is written there, that NG is there. It's there. They're just going to take that. If the grace of God is not upon you, they're just going to take that CV and just put it in just find one dustbin there and put it there. Yeah. When a Nigerian lady, a Cote d'Ivoire lady, Zimbabwe lady, Ghana lady, they go for job. Trust me, those women are going to just get a job, a tick of eye. But we Nigeria, we are the one complaining, no job, we don't have job, this, there is no job. Not that there is no job, because we are in Nigeria. There are no hawks. There are no hawks. That's why they don't want to render that job to us anymore. I can imagine, guys, just see the amazing good news again. Do you know why they are really doing these things? Do you know why they are blessing Ghanaians so much? I am talking to Nigerians. Yes, I'm talking to my country, Nigeria. Yeah, guys. Do you know why this amazing news is happening to Ghana? It's because of their youth. Yeah. Their youth is so intelligent. Not that we don't have intelligent Nigeria. We have intelligent Nigerians. But the nuisance ones have bring the intelligent one down. Now they now generalize all of them together. They generalize all of them together now. If talented Nigeria come out to say, yes, I am in Nigeria, trust me, they are gonna have double eyes on that intelligent Nigeria. Why? Because of the nuisance one that we have. Do you know why Europeans, amazing country, they are investing, signing Ghana in different endorsements? Do you know why? Because of their youth. Their youth are so calm. So calm. Not that they don't have the bad ones. They do, they have. There is no country without bad youth. I don't think that kind of country exists. I don't think so. But it's not that much. The kind of things some of their bad youth evolve themselves on, when you cross-check it with some things that our own Nigeria country youth evolve themselves on, the difference is clear. Yes, no country without bad youth, no bush without bad firewood, guys. There is no bush without bad firewood. That is the world that we are living today. Look at what just happened to Ghana of recent. It's so amazing. That's why YouTubers cannot stop talking about Ghanaians. They cannot. God has just opened their fire for good. Why I am saying it, I do pray for my country, Nigeria, because I need same thing. I want our youth to turn their evil ways to good. I want them to switch back. Evil, bringing that nation down, is not going going to take us anywhere. It's really affecting us in diaspora. It do affect us when somebody just asks, where are you from? And you said, I am from Nigeria. The way that we just say, Nigeria, that smile that we smile to you, it means something. Look at them, thieves. Look at them, criminals. They're going to describe you with different things. Even some Africa country, they will do it to us. When you tell your neighboring country that you are from Nigeria, it's so scared of you. Not that it's scared of you that you're going to beat her or you're going to beat him. It's just scared that you are a thief. It's just scared that you are a bad person. Why? Because of what is happening in our country. Okay, imagine. See what just take place of recent in Ghana. Do you guys see? I know many of you will be saying, why all those YouTubers, why did they always love talking about Ghanaians? Not that, yes, we love talking about them, especially the lovers of good things. Why? Because I do watch my fellow Nigerian YouTubers. They flew to Ghana. Yes, they told Ghana to talk much about Ghanaians. I have not traveled to Ghana once. I am preparing by the special grace of God. Yes, because I am a Ghanaian. Yeah, of course, don't be surprised. When you marry, when you leave your father's house and get married, automatically you are now bearing your husband's name. Isn't it? So that is it. So that's why I am comfortable in it, claiming that land, peaceful land. Okay? Guys, do you know what happened to Ghanaians of recent? Oh my God. Big congratulations to you guys. Congratulations to you guys. Amazing congratulations from the bottom of my heart. Because good name is better than riches. Honestly, Ghanaians youth, keep on doing what you know how to do best. Please never imitate any bad thing. Because it's not going to take the way Ghana is developing so fast. Guys, please join hands together and make that land become something that people will not even explain, guys. Yeah. Not that you guys don't have bad youth. You do. But it's not like, please, guys, because the good news that just happened to you guys of recent, big amazing congratulations to you all, guys. I don't want to swallow it because why? I love good things. That's why I decided to talk about it, guys. Guys, do you know what happened to Ghanaians of recent after banning Nigerians in Dubai? Guys, do you know Dubai signed visa-free agreements with Ghana? Oh my God, is that not amazing? After banning Nigeria from Dubai, you see good names. You see good name is better than riches. We have Ghanaians in Dubai, isn't it? Yes, of course. There is no part of this world that you cannot find Ghanaians. The way we Nigeria travel, that is how Ghanaians travel. Yeah, yes. When you are in the route, trust me, when we have 20 people there, trust me, about 9 people is going to be Ghanaians. They do travel. They do hustle like us. But they never involve themselves in any dirty games. Even though they are doing it, they are so mature, they are so intelligent. But we describe them as common. We describe them that they don't wise. Oh my God. Let me tell you guys, let me just clear you guys one thing. I come to study them. I told you, I said, I want to be behaving like them. I want to do like the way they do. Yes, they are not proud. They are so humble. Guys, do you know why we Nigeria are describing Ghanaians that they are not wise? Oh my God, you know we Nigeria, we like your man, we like area scatter. Ghanaians, they don't know how to do it. And we think that we are doing the good, right? We Nigerians, we can fight in the train station, we can fight in anywhere, we can even fight in the market, we can just turn our clothes. We don't care. Ghanaians don't behave like that. So that's why we are describing them that they are not wise. Meanwhile, they try to make a good name. They try to secure that their land, Ghana. They try to give that land a beautiful name. That is what is happening now. You know, anything more that we are builders. mothers, you know. That's why when they say mother's land, mother builds, you know, guys. Yeah, mother can pray for his children. We forget to pray for yourself. Mother can keep food for his children without eating. So Ghana, congratulations to you guys for this amazing offer that Dubai just offered to you guys. Okay, we have Senegal in Dubai, we have different country, but it's so amazing that Dubai take a pen and sign visa-free agreement with you guys. Big congratulations. Keep your good character, keep it up. It's really helping you guys. Yeah, I have, that is, when I am in midst of people, the way they talk about Ghanaians is so amazing. Even now, the way our Nigerian YouTubers based in Africa, they will just flew to Ghana, they will go and tour Ghana, and the way they will describe it, I will say, but you are in Nigeria, you know, they are so comfortable with them, you know. And do you know the amazing part why those offers are going to Ghana, Nigerians? Please wake up, Nigeria. We should not be saying Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. It's not only Buhari that is our problem right now. Yes, of course, Buhari have his own part to play here. Even in our next president have his own part to play here. You know, look at Ghana. Do you know why abroad love Ghanaians so much? You know, in abroad, since I've came to abroad, I've never experienced light off. Since how many years in abroad, I have never, and maybe it's me that will go and off my meter, or maybe I plug something that is so powerful, my meter will just off, then I will go there and just take it up, my light will come back again. Say maybe there is no light, you have not paid your bill, transformer. I've never seen Europe transformer. I have never, guys. You know, I've never experienced light off. So those kind of people, since they were born, they have never experienced light off. So you want those kind of people to go to Nigeria where there is no light everywhere. Maybe somebody is coming to attack you because your neighbor is using generator, you yourself is using, everybody is just using the noise, anything that is taking place, nobody is going to hear, because the sound of generator is going to in that bad scenario that is taking place. You know, that is one thing. Why Europe people love to invest in Ghana, guys, is because they have good roads. Yeah, Ghana have good roads. Oh my God! When I watch one of my colleagues, he based in Nigeria, then he flew to Ghana to enjoy his holiday. Guys, I was with that guy 24 hours in any blog he do. Look, there is one place in my next intro, I will be talking about it, guys. There is one place this guy just went to just show us the view. I said, no, this is not Africa, this is UK, this is London. That is what I think before. It's because the black people that is in that place, the white people is more than the black people. I said, oh my God, so this is Africa. Until that guy went out, and I said, yes, it's Africa. I was so impressed. I said, no, I choose well, because I love good things. That is when I said, where I really went to, oh my God, I just look at my kids, I said, you guys are so lucky. I told my kids, I said, you guys are blessed. If you guys travel to Africa today, you are not going to feel that you are in Africa. Okay, guys? They said, yeah. I said, yes, of course. You know? So, Nigeria, please, let's copy from Ghanaians. Let's learn from them. Let's just come down from our eye up. Let's learn good things from them. Things can change. Yes, things can change. Because the way endorsement is just landing in that land, Ghana, is so excitement. Yes, it's so excitement. Oh my God, they ban Nigeria, they accept Ghana. Don't you guys, are you guys not ashamed of yourself? We are just pouring all the blames on Buhari. Can Buhari do all that? Buhari cannot do it all. It needs our head. Our head is that we should change our attitude. We should stop bad things. We should we should make that nation stand again like before. Nigeria was not like this before. Nigeria was not like this. I remember when I was a child, many white people did come. They will go and see Ibo, you know. These days, no white people want to go. They are so, even black, even Nigeria don't want to go because they are so scared. It's not really good, guys. Please, let's learn from Ghana. Okay, you see the breaking news. You see the amazing gift that Dubai just offered to Ghana. Please, guys, let's change our ways. That nation, we need that nation back. So we need to copy from Ghana. We need to learn from them, especially we that is living in diaspora. Guys, we should just quit ourselves from bad things. Let's learn from them. Like Ghanaians, you can just call Ghanaians for 50 euro job. If we go and bring that money, it's plus. You can call him for 20 euro, he will go. But when you call a Nigerian man for 20 euro, he will say, just because of 20 euro. He needs 1,000 euro. From 1,000 euro job, where are you going to get it? Where? You start. Foundation start from, when you want to stand a building, it starts from foundation. Then before you take it to lintel, then you pursue your roof. That is how life is. Guys, please, let's restore our country back. That nation, let's restore it back, guys. You see how Ghana is jubilating because of they have amazing youth. Their lady, oh my God, guys, don't just go there because I will say it. Yes, the truth has to be told. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, okay? And I would love to see you all in my next video. To my own subscribers, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. May Heavenly Father bless you guys, okay? So I would love to see you all in my next video. Big congratulations to Ghanaians. Keep on doing that your good things that you know how to do. More good things are still coming on the way. Okay, you guys are on top now, okay? God has just opened you guys fire because you guys are good. Really, you guys are so amazing. Sometimes when I just look at my kids, I say, Ghanaians, you guys are blessed. You guys are good. Keep it up, guys. Don't change. And I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.